Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at mysteries, secrets, clues. For centuries we've wondered, what's really out there? And in 2025, NASA might have finally taken us one step closer to the answer. A signal. A pattern. Something never seen before. It all started when NASA Deep Space Listening Array picked up a rhythmic pulse from the outer edge of a galaxy over 500 million light-years away. At first, it seemed like cosmic background noise. Nothing new. But then the pattern repeated again and again. A precise rhythm. Mathematical in nature. Almost intelligent. This wasn't your average supernova or pulsar echo. This was something that didn't fit any known astronomical behavior. Scientists were stunned. Was this just another rare natural event? Or was it something more? NASA assembled a team of astrophysicists, mathematicians, and even linguists. The signal wasn't random. It appeared to carry structure like a message. But from whom? And why now? Around the same time, telescopic data from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed another anomaly. A rogue planet, untethered to any star, was spotted drifting through space. But here's what made it extraordinary. It had artificial light emissions. Yes, light coming from specific zones on the planet's surface, flickering, organized. Now here's the twist. That planet lies directly in the path of the unusual signal. Coincidence? NASA confirmed the light signatures couldn't be explained by natural volcanic or geothermal activity. The emissions were consistent with what we'd expect from energy grids on Earth. Suddenly, the world was watching. Was this the first real evidence of alien infrastructure? Social media exploded. News networks ran the story 24/7. NASA, careful not to make assumptions, called the findings as scientifically remarkable. But the public had already made up its mind. Alien evidence? The Pentagon acknowledged the signal and confirmed it wasn't of terrestrial origin. ESA and Japan's space agencies also verified the anomalies. For the first time in human history, space agencies across the globe were aligned in curiosity and caution. Back on Earth, the impact was immediate. Philosophers debated what it meant for humanity. Religious leaders issued statements. Tech billionaires pledged funding for deep space probes. The United Nations even called a special meeting. Because if someone out there was sending a message, we needed to respond. But here's the mystery. Before we could decode the signal, it stopped. Completely. The lights on the rogue planet went dark. Just like that. Silence. What did it mean? Had they seen us watching? Was it a test, a warning? Or had they moved? NASA released a full report in April 2025 stating, "This is the most compelling evidence yet of intelligent life beyond Earth." While not conclusive, the convergence of signals and light emissions warrants the highest level of further investigation. And so, the mission began. In collaboration with global partners, NASA launched Project Beacon, a spacecraft designed to follow the signal's origin and reach the rogue planet within the next 15 years. Packed with AI systems, quantum sensors, and self-repairing tech, it will be the most advanced interstellar probe humanity has ever built. Meanwhile, amateur astronomers and citizen scientists are joining the hunt. Telescopes have sold out worldwide. Data forums are flooded with people scanning the skies, hoping to be part of the next big discovery. This moment, this discovery, has changed us. Not just scientifically, but emotionally. As a species, suddenly our petty differences feel smaller, our borders meaningless. Because somewhere out there in the cold silence of space, something or someone may be waiting, watching, and we've just knocked on the door. Maybe they're curious, maybe they're cautious, or maybe they're not alone. The year 2025 may be remembered not for war or politics or technology, but as the year we first caught a glimpse of a larger cosmic neighborhood, one filled with possibilities, with intelligence, with life. Of course, skeptics remain. Many say it's all explainable, that humans are prone to seeing patterns where none exist, and perhaps they're right. But what if they're not? Because space doesn't lie. It doesn't play tricks. It reveals only what we're ready to see. And in 2025, we may have finally been ready. Ready to ask the big questions. Ready to face the truth. Ready to meet the unknown. Just discovered. Never seen before. NASA confirmed. Alien evidence. This is not science fiction. This is science future. And you are living it. So stay curious. Stay skeptical. But above all, stay watching. Because the next discovery may not be 500 million light years away. It might be right next door. Soft outro music begins if this story fascinated you. Imagine what's coming next. Make sure to like this video if it sparked your imagination. Oh, drop a comment with your theories. Do you think we've made contact? And of course, subscribe for more mysteries, revelations, and the science of what lies beyond the stars. We'll be here, watching the sky.